My name is Kiati. I'm head of Joshi Advocates. Thank you very much for joining us in this video. What happens after December 2020 for European nationals and their family members, provided the UK leaves the EU and the transition period ends December 2020? Can European nationals still come in the UK and their family members who are not European nationals? So in this video, we'll explore the new application process that has been introduced and outlined by the Home Office in the Statement of Changes. Link in the description box below. So let's explore. The good news is that the European nationals and their family members can continue coming in the UK and remaining in the UK. And the application process is that they would have to make an application either before January 2021 or after January 2021. And the visa they would get is temporary leave to remain, which is probably due to expire in December 2023. So the requirements would be ID for the European national and their family members, relationship documents, marriage certificate, birth certificate, and adequate accommodation tenancy agreement, most likely, which shows that the property would not be overcrowded if the European national were to come in, or the European national comes in with their family member who's not a European national, or the European national seeks to sponsor the non-European national to come in, say a husband or a child, for example. Now, the glitch is this is only temporary leave to remain. It does not lead to settlement. So it isn't like the current process where the European national will get settlement, and equally it isn't that the non-European national husband or child would get settlement. So that is the glitch. And the uncertainty about this application is also, say the application is made, what if it's refused? Is there a right of appeal? That's unclear as things stand, but just keep in mind this is simply an introduction and an outline of the process should, one, the UK leaves the EU and by next year, December 2020, the transition period will end and it cannot be extended. So moving forward, say January 2021, the UK leaves the EU and the transition period has ended in December 2020. What would happen to the European nationals? They can come in the UK and have their temporary leave to remain. In addition, their non-European national family members can still come in the UK on the temporary basis and have a visa or leave to remain until December 2023. How we move forward for the European national and the non-European national family member is not yet clear, but what is clear is that European nationals and their family members can continue remaining in the UK and more so come in the UK until December 2023 along with their non-European national family members. And this is in the worst case scenario where the UK leaves the EU and there is no deal in the transition period by next year, December 2020, still there is a lot of protection available for the European nationals and their family members who are not European nationals. So there's great news in that respect. I hope this explains and clarifies going forward what the future position is that the UK is providing for the European nationals and their family members. Thank you so much for joining. I hope this has helped you. If any questions, as always, contact me details below, subscribe, and I'll see you again next week. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.